Ramogi mano en achiel kuom wechego mabende waluonu machiegni kendo e kinde ma wan kode wabiro chiwoni lipodno e weche manyien mabiro tok ma. Ka ok kamano wadok e lipot mane wasingo mar mi kanyo mar IEBC ka chenro mar dayo dho jogo manochwalo kwayo ne lemo mag komishonas mag duol matayire pacho ka IEBC odonjo odiechienge mar 4 ka kwan jogo midayo dhogi kawuono gin ji 6. Gin kaka Arnold Mutwiri Njabani manokwong da dhoge okinyi ma kawuono, mane en jalup jata chenro mar duol mar IEBC kinde mokalo Betty Sungura, Bevin Angela, Celestine Jeruto, Charles Ndirangu kod director mar weche chike mar IEBC Crispino Wie.
Can you describe a time, given these different positions you have held, can you describe a time, if there is any, when you had to make a difficult decision where different stakeholders had conflicting interests? How did you ensure fairness and objectivity?
A situation where different stakeholders...
Where you had to make a difficult decision where different stakeholders had conflicting interests. How did you ensure fairness and objectivity, if you have ever met such a situation?
So I can remember a situation where I was the director of programming for Kenya's participation in World Expo Dubai. So as the director of programming, I was in charge of the technical committee that was preparing for Kenya's participation, and it was interministerial. It also included the private sector and the public sector. So in that program, there were different institutions were planning to go to the expo at different times. And then we had to review the program midway due to COVID and budgetary issues. So in that situation, there are people who are not happy that they are not able to go early. And we had to be firm. I had to discuss with my bosses, and we informed them that we'll have to implement some of those programs during a week that is called Kenya Week, where all institutions are going to be involved. And I had to be firm, and at the end they understood.
Thank you, Chair.
Thank you very much. I want to ask you to ask further some 2 questions, please.
Said it is Cheruto.